Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, hauls, reviews, you name it. So if it is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay joined to the family. And I'd like to say thank you so much for my return supporters. I love you guys, I appreciate you guys a bunch. So today's video, get excited, we have another wig here, another wig from Irresistible Me for I should be trying. And this one is 20-inch if I'm not mistaken. I'm going to unbox the wig. I'm going to show you guys how it comes, and then after that we're gonna jump into this video for try. Alright, so let's unbox this video. I did open the box because I had to check how the wig is, if you make sure that everything is ready for the video. So, but that's pretty much how the wig come in this box with this gorgeous satin kind of bed here for your wig. It also comes in the bag a little cap for you put your hair up. I have the wig here, I just took out of the box. It comes with this nice protective net holding the hair in place. So, and I'm going to put the hair shade and the length of the wig. Gorgeous, that's how the wig look like. The hair is super shiny. Look how gorgeous this hair is and how healthy. Super soft, really soft. So yeah, this is definitely a 20-inch. All right, and I do have a discount code for you guys for Irresistible Me. I think it's IM_Paula, but anyway, I'm gonna go put it here when I be editing for you guys. Save 10% off, and the link for Irresistible Me is going to be also in the description of this video. So here is the beauty here. So I have this little comb here that's going to help you to put the wig in the head. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 little combs, and then I also have elastic here where you can adjust to your head. She's gorgeous. So the first thing you're gonna need a brush. This is a fix in place hold spray. You're gonna need some gel. Put my hair on these so we can try the wig. Let me just comb my hair. And my hair, it is taping extension also from Irresistible Me if you guys want to try them out. This is a 24 and a 20-inch, or 22 and 20-inch, but I did cut the ends this week, so they're a little shorter. Normal they're like here. So if you want to try them, the info for them also is going to be on the description. Alright, so this is going to be the before the wig. I'm gonna put my hair up on this really quick and I'll be right back, because I'm not a professional on installing wigs, so I don't want to take forever, so the video gets so long. So it's gonna go like this. So now you're just gonna put this beauty on it so it's in place. So this is the middle piece, so it's gonna stay in So now we're going to cut the neck. So bear with me. One side is done, so I can just do the second side. So we finished cutting, right? So let's apply some glue. Now that everything is in place, I'm gonna place that band here so I can have some pressure on the hair, and then I come back later to show you guys. Alright, so I'll be right back to show you guys the final results after this glue in place. Alright, so see you. Look how beautiful they are. Alright guys, so this is the final result. So I went in, my camera died, I put my camera for charge, and I went in and fixed up the wig. So I just make these took these two little parts out of my face, and I put it back with these little clips here. But the wig is gorgeous. Let me go back so you guys can see. It's 20-inch. I'm going to have all the info for Irresistible me on the description of this video if you guys decide to give them a try. I love it. So seeing this, it just gives me nostalgia. I feel like going back blonde. I miss my blonde self. I don't know, I just, you know, I love hair, so I like to experiment with different colors of hair. And I think that wig, especially human hair wig, it's a great way for you to experiment and change your look without, you know, if you have a nice hair, without damage your hair, because I don't have a nice hair. But thank God for extension wigs, so yes. So I love it, very pretty, in love it. Definitely I'm going to be using this wig because I fell in love with her. Definitely is my favorite wig that I own now, so love it. So you guys let me know down in the comment below if you guys use a wig, if you would like to try, if you're scared of. Don't be scared of, you know, for a long time I was scared of using wig. You know, I'm scared because I know how I am, and I'm scared like to go out and somebody like make me mad and then start a fight and somebody pull off my wig. That's the only reason why I'm scared of. But you know, if I behave good, so I can use it. Super beautiful, I love it. So thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and don't forget my discount code for 10% off. It's going to be on the description of this video and here when I be editing. So if you want to get these gorgeous wigs or get some clipping, some taping, or some hair tools, Irresistible me definitely is the way to go for get the best human hair extension. I've been using them for many years, and they're the best. What can I say? Look at these, gorgeous. You can never say that this is not my hair if you say you're a hater. So very pretty. Alright, I love you guys. I see you guys next video. Bye.